Huh? Go ahead. I got you on film. Tighten that drag up. My goodness. Ain't that but crappy. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, they played him good. Step to your right a little bit so I get a video on this thing. Just a little bit right there. That's good. I hear something sound like music to our ears. Going back over to Judd a little bit. I knew I saved my battery for something. 60 pounder. I seen that head. Yeah, he's pretty daggone long. That's a 4-foot fish. Oh my god. Huh? That's what I was thinking. I seen his head a while ago. He's albino, ain't he? Ooh, yeah. Oh, he's gonna take another dive, I bet you. Oh, you almost give him some slack there. He's ours. He's ours. Oh my lord. Good play. Hold him up, Judge, so I can get it off video. I don't know, man. It might be a 100-pound fish. That might just be a 100-pound fish. Look at that. He might be 100. He's long. That big old belly.